What's up, Ava gang? It's your girl Ava. Today I'm back with another video. So before I start this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell.
Ding ding.
So today, Mommy, Alyssa,
Eat it.
and Cassidy.
You bite my finger.
Well, you doing too much. I didn't bite your finger. You bit your own finger.
Mommy and
Anyway,
Alyssa
y'all.
are going to be making
Okay, y'all. Okay. Say hey to the video. Tell them you graduating. Woo! Her graduating, y'all. She gonna go to kindergarten. Say hey, Cassidisha.
Hey.
And today we're making Kool-Aid.
Chicken. Chicken.
Yeah.
It's about to be nasty.
Whatever, y'all. She a hater.
Oh, y'all.
Okay,
also,
so
this is about to be Alyssa's channel very soon, and we're not going to be recording.
she's
on
lying.
this
She's
phone.
lying. She's lying, y'all. Don't pay her no mind. She's lying. She's lying. Y'all, let me tell you what she's trying to do. She's trying to quit YouTube.
I'm not quitting. I just don't want to do it anymore.
Well, that's a whole lot, because she's still going to do it.
Sorry, y'all. You better go watch.
So, yeah. So, we got the Kool-Aid.
Mom,
We did have 2
already 1
packs,
minute.
but, yeah.
Mommy,
And we got the flour. Can you wait, please? We got the flour. Can you wait, please?
Y'all, they cannot.
Sorry, y'all. Dang. Y'all know how they be, y'all. Y'all know. I know my hair looking horrible. Just got off work, y'all. Look crazy. So, anyway, yeah. So, we're going to get the chicken, and we're going to put it in this bowl.
Mommy, I need my phone.
Girl, shut up. I'm trying to do a video for them. Yeah, shut up.
Really, I need my...
So, y'all, comment down below and tell Ava shut up. Anyway, we got the chicken.
Mommy, please just let
Can I
me
see it?
quit.
Okay.
Y'all comment down below.
Now
Please
we
tell me.
gonna
I
put
need
the
to
seasoning in here. So Ava is going to put this in the time lapse. Here, while I do. All right, y'all. So we got it all mixed.
As y'all saw, like,
Yes,
I
as
was
y'all saw, I
busted
put the
down.
seasoning. We was all bust down at the end. Oh, sorry. I keep hitting Ava in the face. I'm sorry. Okay, y'all. So we got
Y'all
the
can't
flour.
see
Look,
it.
Y'all can't see it. It's a little red.
But y'all can't. But wait till we put it on that chicken.
But
It's
yeah,
gonna
we got the seasoning as y'all seen. So now
We're gonna dip the chicken.
I'm going to dip it in the flour.
I don't even like chicken.
Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to do this and that at the same time. So, yeah, she's crazy. So, oh, Ava, did you have EOGs?
Yes. I don't like it.
Comment down below if y'all had to
It
take
was 3 hours long.
Okay. Comment down below if you had to take EOGs or SATs
And
or
we got
finals,
EOGs
whatever.
tomorrow.
And she gonna pass him. Hey, oh,
Mommy,
oh.
your arm gotta stop going right here.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Your
Okay,
arm like-
so I'm gonna give this phone to Ava because I'm about to drop this chicken and dip it. So actually, you can put it over there.
Oh, my finger.
Move.
Oh,
You move.
ooh.
Ash.
Y'all,
If you don't stop
come over
sneezing.
here this way. Come over here, y'all. Get them right there.
Ava.
Okay, y'all. Ooh, you hear that oil?
Is it turning red?
Ooh, it is.
Guys, Mommy, make sure you put this on her. I'm ready to
Look, it's red. I don't know if y'all can see. Look,
Look up, turn it to the side.
look, it's red. Right.
Oh my God! Yo,
It's
comment
in
down
the
below.
pan, but
Comment
hold
down
on,
below
look.
if we should make hot Cheeto chicken. We need to do that hot chicken. Let me move my face.
Y'all, we came up with something different. Look,
I know.
we came up with y'all. We had went to Harris Teeter this weekend because we had. Y'all already know how we do every Sunday. Have our seafood, crab legs and stuff. Stop. And
Girl,
I had
That's
told
not a
Ava.
glove.
I had told Ava we should do fried chicken with sprinkles.
I don't know about that.
Comment down below, y'all.
But I know
you
about hot
know.
Cheeto chicken. Hot Cheeto chicken?
Have y'all missed us? Cause I've been missing y'all, but Ava
Hasn't.
yes, she has. Period. She gonna get smacked, y'all, on this channel. She gonna on this video. She gonna get smacked.
Why?
So y'all, hold that camera up. Show me in the order.
How am I gonna get the camera?
Get it, grab it.
Oh, okay, let me climb over the sink.
No, I'm about to grab it.
Okay, honey, that thing popped you.
Stop, cause you doing too much. Get down.
Trying to get it for you.
Get down. Y'all, y'all. Crazy.
That chicken looks good. I think it's done.
Okay, gotta wash your hands. Alright, so I'm about to pull them out. Hold on,
You gotta flip them over.
I gotta show y'all first. Hold on, y'all. Y'all, I'm excited because...
Me too. I'm ready to eat.
Alright, y'all ready to
They look good. Mommy, don't drop my phone.
Can y'all see it? Oh my goodness!
Okay,
Look
Mommy,
at it,
okay.
y'all. Girl, shut up.
That's enough. That's enough. It's fine. That's good.
Alright, y'all. Now,
You gotta flip them over. They ain't
I gotta
done.
flip it over. Oh, and
Oh, Lord.
the
Oh,
is red. Cassidy. Tell Kyra to come see it real quick. Y'all, Kyra would be in the video. She could come say hey to y'all, but she keep acting up in school. It's red.
You put water in it and get
No, I didn't put no water. Come here, Kyra. Look. Say hey to the video.
It wet.
I already told you. Say hey. They can't see you.
Hey, y'all.
Yeah, she not in the video because somebody want to keep getting in trouble at school. Y'all. She's so bad. Look, it's red.
And
Well,
she's not getting
she not bad, y'all. She just Kyra.
acted up.
Yeah, she just Kyra.
Oh, yeah. Bye, y'all.
Okay, see you later.
See you at dinner time.
Alright.
We cooking early, because usually we don't cook around
This
time.
is not dinner. We doing the video.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
I forgot.
Alright, we gotta let it cook more, y'all. So,
So while it's cooking more, we're about, me about to go put it on the phone.
y'all, we got some sad news. We ain't even tell you. Y'all, Ava's not on the dance team no more. How you feel?
Good.
But anyway, y'all, she's not
I get
on
to
the
go to the
dance
pool.
team. So next year, y'all already know she's gonna be in 5th grade. Her gonna graduate. I'm gonna cry. And
I'm going to do a vlog that day.
And then she gonna, go to middle school
Don't
to
drop
do
it.
all the sports. And my Lisa Pooh! Her graduating, y'all. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna cry.
Mama, stop holding it over that
That's why I
oil.
told her teacher. Girl, you better leave me alone.
Y'all, if my mama dropped my phone, I'm breaking her. For real. I'm sorry.
Look at her, y'all.
Mama, don't
Crazy.
drop
Get
it.
up. She is crazy, y'all. But yeah, y'all, we'll be back when
My phone gonna turn into fried chicken. You dropped it in there.
We'll be back when I take the chicken out. So yeah, y'all.
Okay, it didn't work. So this chicken is done. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. Yes. Period. But y'all, comment down below if you should do hot Cheeto chicken, and I'll eat it.
Comment down below if y'all had did this before, like.
Or y'all ever seen anybody like Rooney or Rooney TV?
Hey, man.
Oh my god.
Sorry, y'all. Look at this chicken, man.
Y'all, I might upload this video. I don't know. Because I got EOG tomorrow. I'm going to be tired. So, I don't know. I'm already tired now. After all that hard work.
I'll show them it.
On the way to
Show
get the
them
last
that.
one. Guys, I'm trying not to drop my phone because I'll be clumsy.
So y'all, I think we're gonna let this cool a little before we try it because it's hot.
Alright, y'all, so we'll be back. We'll be back to tear this chicken up.
Oh, hey.
Press down, Tatiana.
Oh, bust down, Kool-Aid chicken.
Huh?
Oh, bust down.
Yeah, this video is very crazy. But yeah, so we'll be. Let me let y'all get one more little cleanse. My tongue got to be red from this Kool-Aid chicken. I brought my mama some Band-Aids because like she be cutting herself while she cooking. Cause she is chef. Period. Yeah, she went to culinary classes, and now she works at this place. It's like a restaurant. But yeah, we'll be back when it's time to eat that chicken. Eat that chicken. Who wanna fight? I just want y'all, so we'll be back, y'all. So
When
we
I'm
back
trying to whoop your behind, that's on you.
y'all. Ignore that, but we better eat this.
Yeah, y'all, she ain't listening. Okay, Cassidy, show them what you got. Here. Tell them what you got.
Say
I
it.
got
Kool-Aid chicken.
What kind of chicken?
Kool-Aid chicken.
Kool-Aid chicken.
Girl, you about to be out the video too.
Oh my God, mommy, why you being mean to these little girls?
Sorry, y'all, but they acting about crazy. Okay? Here you go.
Okay,
Ava.
why you give me the fat one?
And I got wings, because I don't like all that other stuff. All right. Is y'all ready?
Yes.
Y'all ready? Come on, Cassie. Pick
All right,
it
hold
up.
it up.
Hold it. Get in here closer.
Look.
Move in. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, this is banging. It's good, but you could taste the sourness of the Kool-Aid. Like, you could taste the Kool-Aid, y'all. Even though I put seasoning on it.
But it's good.
It's good, ain't it? Tell them it's good.
It's good.
Come here, Alyssa, try it.
It's not nasty.
Alyssa, come here. Hold on, y'all. Let me go get Alyssa.
It's like sour. I knew that one was gonna be sour like this.
It's sour.
It's good though. I'm sorry I wasn't talking just because.
I'll give you another piece of gum. Spit it out. I'll give you another one. Okay. Yeah.
My bubble gum.
I don't like the fat on chicken.
Okay. Here,
No
show
cat.
the video. Tell
Cat.
them you about to eat it. Get in the video.
I'm about to eat it.
Okay, eat it. It's good. Cassidy eating it too. Bite it.
It's not spicy.
It's Kool-Aid. Bite it.
I eat it all day.
How it tastes?
Good.
Tell them. It's good. We did it. We did it.
Ava tried to
Is your
eat
tongue
that.
ready? Ready? We did it. We did it.
My turn
Yeah.
over. I need
This chicken is banging.
I can't see.
Okay, can you see me? Can they see you? Okay.
I needed another one
y'all.
because it's good.
My turn to do some more.
You want more? You ain't finish. Finish it.
Oh, it
It was
did.
hot.
It did.
It's good and good.
Okay. We gotta make this again. Just to eat for fun.
Look at
Yeah.
them.
It could be a whole dinner.
Oh, we
It
need
really
to show
could.
Auntie Yana this and let her eat it.
We need
Mhm.
Wingstop need to create something like this.
This is good.
Done.
You done? No, you ain't. Eat that meat. What you talking about? Why you trying to let you don't know how to eat chicken? You love chicken. Exactly.
Crazy thing
Crazy.
she always eat on her plate.
I need a paper towel.
I'm sorry, y'all. I can't talk to y'all right now. I gotta eat.
What?
I need a tissue.
to see the camera.
Sit. She want me in the camera, y'all.
No,
You told them you
Guys,
graduated.
this is super good.
Watch out, Ava.
Over your paper towel.
dang, you just kicked me out my video.
You told them you graduating.
Out of mommy
No,
video.
you didn't.
Y'all, this video might not be uploaded like today or tomorrow because
She lying.
Kylie got
lying.
in
She
chicken.
lying.
so,
Hey, Mommy, Kylie got in a chicken.
Period.
mommy,
Hey, Mom.
I can do it. Period.
I don't know. What
Or
you doing.
period.
Girl, you did it all wrong. It's like this. Period.
Period.
No, you look crazy.
Mommy, I'm not eating chicken, right?
This is
No,
how you eat
probably
the
in
chicken.
trouble.
That's how you eat the chicken.
Yeah, y'all.
And look,
Kylie
these are
ate
what
Chapel.
stuff right here.
She better be good.
Can I have it?
You don't know unless she split it.
Okay. If she even eat all that one.
She is. You done, Cassidy? It was good.
Yeah.
Y'all, that was a success. I've been dying to do this. I just be seeing people on YouTube do it, so.
Only a little piece.
You still got chicken on here. What you talking about? Look.
Here, just eat this.
But hot.
Y'all saw how that girl just ate that.
I ate a whole piece. Oh, you're right, y'all. I ate a whole piece.
It was good.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, booty.
Bye,
Oh.
guys.
All right, y'all. Come on. Wait. We gotta do the thing.
Okay, hit thumbs up.
I gotta make some more next time, okay?
Thank you guys. Tomorrow. Bye.
So, come on. All right, y'all. So, thank y'all for watching. When y'all do watch it, y'all better watch it.
Yep.
And we ain't been up here in a while, y'all. So, I know y'all missed us. So,
Sour.
yeah. And we miss y'all too. Who you talking to? Y'all better get her. Y'all better get Lissa Pooh, y'all. But yeah, so yeah, we had fun doing it. You had fun? Yeah, here. You had fun doing the video?
Yes. Well, we need to eat some more.
Eat it. Did you have fun doing the video? You had fun? Gang, gang.
That was so good.
Gang, gang.
Y'all, I had
Yeah,
fun,
so
but right
show
now I'm
them.
eating, so I can't talk to y'all.
Gang, gang. So make sure you
Like, guys, and
ding, ding. Alyssa, hold on. Sorry, y'all. Ding, ding.
Mommy. Oh, no, baby boy.
OMG, y'all. Why when I do it, it don't work? Ugh. Do it.
Okay.